Okay.
Now look.
Now it's gone.
Now it's available. See,
Yes,
this is
sir.
today's lesson.
Yeah, it is available.
Last week we did here division of negative numbers. Now we have squares,
Division.
cubes, roots, and indices.
Roots?
Okay.
And what is
Yes.
indecence? Is it
Yes, we will
What's
learn about
roots, sir?
science?
And what's roots, sir?
science.
Yeah, it's like science, mister. We are
Yeah,
taking
science.
biology.
Yeah, and
Roots
biology
and
are
stem and
touching
leaves
roots
and branches. Okay.
and flowers, fruits, seeds.
Okay. I'll bring this.
It's mainly leaves.
Huh?
Are we going
What
to
happened?
study 1.4?
Yes.
Yeah, that's very easy.
Okay. So
Wait, Mr. Fires has a dog?
Doggo, don't eat.
okay. So squares, cubes, roots, and indices. There are 4 words mentioned here. I will tell you a little bit about them, and then we will proceed to the lessons. Okay. So
Okay.
the class will go smoothly and quickly if there will be silence most of the time when I'm explaining. And when I'm asking questions, then you can answer. But if you are speaking between the lesson, I have to switch off that person's mic. Is it clear for everybody?
Clear.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Clear.
So
So it will be 30 minutes.
any problem if someone makes, I will be switching off his mic, and I will not be opening for the whole 2-hour session. So
Okay.
be patient. Okay. And when I ask you, then you can.
Mister, how is it 2 hours? It's 1 hour.
Huh?
How is it 2 hours? It's 1 hour.
How it's 1 hour?
1:30 to 2:30.
No, no.
No,
To 3:30.
2 hours, inshallah. 3:30. Yes. Okay. It's up to you. If you want to go after 1 hour, no problem. The class session is already being recorded and it will be uploaded on YouTube on my channel, inshallah. Okay, don't worry. But I will try to focus 2 hours at least. Now 15 minutes are already gone. So we have 1 hour 45 minutes. Anyways, squares. So first of all, we will deal with this word squares. And finally, let me see how many are finally joined now. Students, so I should know how many. 13 guys. Okay, good. Squares. So square, many of you know already what this is. This is actually, for example, you have a number 7, for example, and you write a small 2 on top of that. It means what? It means 7 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. Okay, this is the meaning, which will give you what?
49.
49.
49.
49.
Do not confuse this with 7 multiplied by 2. No, that will
Yeah.
be wrong. Okay, that
Okay.
power, this is known as power. Okay, the small number that is mentioned on the top, that is known as power. For example, this. No, not 8. I'll take a smaller number so we can.
Okay.
For example, 2 to the power 3. Okay, so this is known as power, and this is known as base. This is known as power or
Yeah.
index. Index also, because see this word indices. What is indices? The
Indices.
plural
I think
of
4.
index. Plural
Ah.
of index. Okay, one means index, multiple means indices. Not index, not
Indices.
indices. In some pronunciation it is said as indices, but not indexes. Okay, there is no word as indexes. No. Okay, so indices
Okay.
is the plural of index.
Index.
Clear? Now what is
Clear.
index? What is power? Power is a small number that is mentioned here which means this base will be written how many times and then multiplied by itself. So 2 to the power 3 means what? It means
2 multiplied.
will
2
be written
multiplied.
3 times. 2 will be written 3 times and
Yeah.
multiplied, not added, multiplied. So you will
Yeah.
get finally what?
8.
8.
8. So you will get 8. Okay. So how we will read this?
Mister, I can't see the screen.
I know. I know, Mister.
Cancel.
I know.
I will cancel the screen and I will reshare. Okay. Then
Mister,
Adam,
I
tell
think
me.
I know how to get two
I'm
then the
asking.
small three.
Adam, tell me. You can see the screen now?
No, I think I will join. Okay.
Okay.
Mister,
Any other student who is facing the same difficulty?
Mister, because
No.
we used look how much twos we used. We used 3 twos. You see, 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4, then 4 times 2 equals 8. So
Now I
basically,
can see it.
then 2, then it becomes like puts the small, then
so
2,
Adam,
then
you
the
can see
small
now?
3.
Anyways, what about this? Yani, how we will read this? How we are going to read this?
2
to the
power
power
3.
2 power
2 power
Yes,
3.
we-
Yes.
2 to
Two,
the
3.
power. We
Since they
will write
will,
2. Okay, we will
Yeah.
say 2 to the
Power.
power
3.
to the
Of-
power.
or 3.
3.
But there is a
Oh,
there is a shortcut also. If there is 3 written, there is a shortcut I told in grade 6 to you
Yeah,
guys.
3 twos, instantly 2, easy.
No, how you will read this?
Uh,
Someone remembers?
Cubic square.
Cubic square?
Yeah,
There
Mr.
there is nothing as cubic square. You remember? You remember this?
No.
2
No.
cube.
No.
2.
Oh,
Ah.
centimeter.
Centimeter cube and square. Centimeter
Centimeter
square.
cube and
Centimeter
centimeter
cube.
square.
Yes.
Centimeter cube and
Someone
centimeter square.
who remembers this? Badr?
Ismail. I
Adnan.
said no.
Adnan.
Ismail. No, Ismail, and non-copied.
Okay. And you are the commentator, huh? Faris Awad? You are the commentator of the match, Muhammad Ammar. Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, the
There is a
commentator.
so how we will read this? How we will read this? In a shortcut way?
Power 3.
2
No,
power
the
3.
shortcut way.
2 cube.
2 square. 2 cube. 2 cube. 2 cube.
2 cube. That's
Yeah,
it.
2
Okay.
cube.
Cube.
Yes,
So-
2
Yeah.
cube.
Yes, very good. So similarly, how we will read this?
2 cube. Which one?
Which one?
11
Two cube.
square. 11
11
square.
square.
11 square.
11,
Okay.
11
What will be
square.
the answer? What will be the answer of this?
11
multiplied by
multiplied.
11, how much?
22. 22.
No.
110.
100.
Yeah, 110. No.
No.
Who's
Yes.
121? Abdullah
Me,
Hamza?
Abdullah Hamza.
Oh, the real professor, huh?
It's
Okay.
22.
No. See,
No.
that's what I told you. You will be confused in that. You are multiplying 11 and 2. No, you have to multiply 11 with 11.
Whoever gets an answer wrong should leave and then make themselves fake professor. It's the rule.
Okay, so what will be 1 square?
2.
One.
No.
1.
1.
1.
Now, Ahmed Fuad, you will see how many
No,
fake
it's
squares.
not. It's 7,
Fake
no?
professor I will
Seven.
expose. Ahmed
And
Fuad,
so
now
it's always 7.
2 square will be what?
4. 4. 4.
4.
4.
3 square?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Six.
9. 9. 9. 9.
3
Nine.
multiplied by
Nine.
3.
Nine.
And
Nine.
your calculator should be how many kilometers away from you? 2000.
100.
1
Your,
million.
it should be in Jeddah. It should be in Egypt.
1 million kilometers.
No, your
Four square,
calculator
how
should
much?
be in you.
8.
16.
8.
16. 16.
Who said 8? Fake
Mr.
professor.
Muhammad.
I
5
think
square.
it's
Say,
25. 25.
25.
Oh,
25. No.
36 times 2.
36,
6 times 6
36.
equals
36.
36, yeah.
36.
7 multiplied 2. 49. 49, 49.
49.
64, 64,
49.
64,
64.
64,
64,
64,
64,
81, 81,
81,
81,
81,
81, 81,
81,
100, 100,
100.
100, 100.
100, 100,
خلاص.
100.
Because I got it wrong.
I knew it. You.
121.
Okay.
Now, what about 11?
Yo,
Who
this
knows?
class is easy.
121, 121.
I already told, yes, 121. Abdullah Hamza actually told,
200.
yes. Now, what about 12?
12, 12.
220.
12 is
Yeah, 220, 220. I think.
152.
No, what? No.
Yeah, 144. Yeah.
Yeah.
13. Okay, now
What?
hard.
169.
9.
Oh,
Funny number.
Yeah.
118.
Mister, why is your share screen frozen?
Yeah,
Yeah,
mister, it's
lagging.
lagging.
I think his computer is fried now.
Why, Mr. Five?
Funny. Funny. Literally not funny.
It's Qais. Qais is doing this.
No, that's Miriam.
I mean, Ismail, not
Maybe
Qais.
it's simple.
Qais didn't. It's Ismail.
So,
He did this.
from 1
Ismail.
from 1 to 20, you have to learn, and I will ask now anyone, and he has to be ready, okay?
Who's
Let
breathing
me
at the
be
Sorry,
mic?
close the.
Right now?
Yes,
Still-
now I will ask.
How are you able to do this
How are we gonna
question?
know them
I'm
in 1
back.
second?
It doesn't take you like
What?
about the
How are you
answer.
supposed to know?
I will
How
tell
do
you.
you-
I'll tell you.
I don't have a paper. Let me.
No,
400, mister.
400.
400.
Mm.
everyone.
Okay.
I get
See.
your
See, from
Mr.
1 to
Kasi.
10,
Miss, I can't see the screen.
you cannot see the screen.
Leave and rejoin,
Hmm.
better.
rejoin the call.
Okay, see, from 1
Sir,
to 10,
also I
mo-
can't see.
Just leave and rejoin the call. It's simple.
leave and rejoin the call as per fake Professor
Yeah.
Ahmad. I mean, real professor. Okay. From 1 to 10, from 1 to 10, most of you already know. Most of
Yeah.
you. Okay. But
No.
it becomes unfamiliar after 10, like big numbers 11, 12, 13. Okay. So, what's the trick here? You have to make some relations like
Yeah.
11 square 121 and 12 square 144. This you have to remember. There is no other way. Okay.
Yeah,
With some practice,
I remember
with some practice,
multiplication of 12. I
Uh-huh.
remember it.
with some practice, you will be familiar. Now 13, 14, they are same digits but rearranged.
Yeah.
It is 169, it is 196. So
And
there is little bit
different
similarity. Different order. For 15, you can remember, you have to remember 225. It's something like
mister,
you can remember in your head, something like this.
like 10 multiply 2. No, 10 multiply 10 and 5 multiply 5. Then you will add.
See, you have to find your own way. 15 square 225, with some practice you will remember. Now this one is very easy. See, before the mobiles were like 16 GB memory, right? But now these days there are many mobiles that are
Yeah.
256 GB memory. So this you can
Yeah.
remember easily.
Yeah.
This
Oh
number
yes,
is
I have
easy.
I have a tablet which is what's it called, 64 GB gigabytes. I mean.
Yes, so you can remember. And then 17 and 18, they are, I don't know, you cannot find relation, but 19 is very easy. In a circle, how many degrees are there in a complete circle?
0.
360.
360.
you
Not
know-
zero, Muhammad Amir. Where are you? 360. A complete circle. This was Faris, right?
Oh, Faris. Yusuf
Mr. You
Firas.
close
Yusuf
the
Firas.
chat?
Mimi, I answered.
Yeah, Yusuf Firas.
Firas.
Faris,
Okay. Sorry. Firas.
All of us wrong with his name. I say it Faris. not Firas.
Okay, so 360. And just add one. This is 361. So these are like some tricks for you to remember.
Yeah, 20 easy.
Okay.
20,
So
20 is easy.
20 is the easiest. 20 multiplied by 20, 400. So everyone, if you want to write this also on the paper, on the paper you can write, but now when I will ask, you just have to keep your paper 2000 kilometers away. Okay.
Wait,
No
is
one
this
will be looking.
is this just what's it called? Is this
What?
wait,
What
Mister?
happened?
No, Adnan is saying he cannot see the screen. Or better.
No, Ahmed Ali.
Ahmed Ali, not
Same thing.
Adnan.
No, not me.
Okay, so the numbers are clear.
Yeah.
11
Is this
square,
the lesson?
121.
Is
No,
this
this you
it?
have to learn now. Learn it. 2 minutes. I'm giving. Learn everything. I'll ask you.
2 minutes.
Learn what? Like how to do this fast?
No, I will learn what? I will ask you what is 12 square. You have to tell me 144. I'll ask you what is 17 square. You have to tell me 289. This you have to learn. Okay?
Memorize. Okay.
Oh.
428 is the time. 430. I will continue the lesson.
Mr. What is 21 square?
I think it's 441.
Yeah. Mr. I make the same thing that you did now. Like from 1 to 20 square, but a cube, not square.
21 multiplied by 21 will give 441. Yes. My answer was correct. Okay. Ready?
Mr. Are you making
No.
same because it's lagging?
No, wait. When it becomes 1-6 or when it becomes 2 p.m., that's when you start.
So how I will be asking, I will say, for example, what is 15 square? You have to tell me 225. Something like that, okay? So
We should pass.
Which semester?
And cube also. Some cubes we have to learn. Like 1 cube is how much? 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, how much?
3.
3.
No, 1.
MashaAllah.
1.
Brilliant professors in our group. 2 cube?
8.
8.
2 cube will be how much?
8.
8.
3 cube?
3 cube equals 27.
27.
18. Wait, 27.
8.
60 multiplied by
4.
4. Yeah.
Yes.
7 cube 343. Until 10 only this is sufficient for the cube.
Mr. Now it's 2.
Mr. Write what you're right now.
2 p.m. Huh? Do the questions.
Ahmad Ali, what happened?
Mr. Write what you're writing.
Yes, you can write. Hmm, 512 giga RAM. Not RAM, I mean internal memory in laptop. Yes?
Some laptops have 1 TB.
Mudir Kabir, huh? Okay, you guys can note it down. These values, okay, quickly in your notebook. Quickly, everyone note it down.
I'm done.
Or everything.
Mr. I have a question. Wait, how does this called 10 times 3, 10 times 10? Oh, okay, I understand now.
10 times 10 times 10 will give you 100 times 10. That is 1000.
And 900.
Everyone, those who are here, please, whatever is there in the box, quickly
I'm just
note
going
it
to
down.
screenshot it. I'll screenshot it like this.
See, in screenshot, you will, what I told you last time, you will not never see it
Lose
again.
it. Oh, I missed that. I'll just delete every other screenshot and then yeah.
Tell me when to continue, okay?
You could continue now.
Other students, they are writing. See, that's why they are not talking, because they are writing, and you just took screenshot,
Yes.
and you will never open the screenshot. I know. So these are the squares. These are the squares.
Mr. The roots are four.
Mister, can I ask you a question?
Don't ask
Yeah,
about
okay.
roots. I will, Ismail, I will tell you about roots when I am teaching the lesson. Yes, Muhammad Amir, what happened?
Can the number like be 2 square and half?
That you will study in higher grades. This type of concept you will study in higher grades, in exponents chapter, in, for example, grade 9 or grade 10, something like that. Okay, not now, but it is there.
Mr. Go down a little bit.
Okay.
We have to
Yes.
write this, Mister.
Mashallah. Now asking who? Yes,
You
you have to
can
write.
screenshot it.
If you want to take screenshot,
Just
it will be less
delete
helpful.
it.
You can take screenshot. If you want more helpful, write with your own hands. It will be more helpful.
I'll take a screenshot
Okay.
and I'll write.
So I will continue now.
I write it.
Everything from
Yeah.
okay. From here to here. Huh?
Yeah. From
Okay.
square to cube or
Cube. Okay. Yes.
Now throw the paper on the trash or hide it.
What about other students?
I screenshot it.
Where is Riyadh?
He's in
He
Saudi
left the
Arabia.
school. He left.
He left the school?
No.
Yeah. No, he didn't.
He came back to Khobar or no?
Yeah.
So he is there in my group or not?
Yes.
He's in the math group, yes.
He's there? So
Yeah. But maybe
why he's not there? What about Hijazi? Why he's not there?
Mr. Asa Abdurrahman.
Yes, yes,
changed
yes.
his code.
And Abdurrahman Maqpool?
No,
He
he didn't.
still, but he said he was.
Maybe he's playing.
No,
Yeah.
some of them are busy with their families because today is Friday.
Yeah, like
So very thanks to you guys for joining the class, even though you could have spent it with your family, but that's great that you are giving your free time to maths and understand it. Okay, I'll continue now what I was telling here. Okay, and you guys, if you want, I will be sending this image so you can see in the group later. Now squares, cubes. Already I told you what is the meaning of square. Square means when a number
Now
is
roots and
multiplied.
indices.
Muhammad Ahmad, this is the last time, otherwise I'll be muting. See, it disturbs me when I'm speaking and someone interrupts. Squares mean when a number is multiplied by itself. How many times?
Two times.
Two times.
2 times. Yes. And cube
times.
is the multiplication of a number by itself. How many times?
3 times.
Three
3 times. Okay. Now I will go to the roots and indices. Indices I already told you, index. This is known as index or power. Now only roots is remaining, and then I will give you some solved examples, and then inshallah I will bring the screenshot of the exercise, and it will be very, very easy. And later in this exercise, calculator will be required later in this exercise, okay? Because there will be some decimal values. There will be some decimal values. So the book is giving instruction. You can use calculator in this exercise, okay? So when it is required, you guys can bring it, and then when it is required, I will tell you. But you can keep it with you, okay?
Okay.
Mister, I
You
don't
can
have a
bring-
calculator at my house.
bring your-
I don't remember
You can
where I
bring your
put it to.
calculator near you, okay? Bring it from Egypt now, everyone.
Sorry,
Mister, I
your
don't have a
sound is
calculator. I don't know where it is.
On
My
your
sound
phone.
is lagging. Is my sound lagging to everyone?
No, no.
No.
No, your screen
No.
share is lagging.
Okay, root is square root and cube root. Okay, it is the opposite of square and cube. Okay, you can write this down. I will tell you. I will tell you. Square and cube. For example, when you have to find the square of 3, you will get 9. When you have to find the square of 6, you will get 36, correct?
Yeah.
But if you want to, from 36, if you want to get 6 back, you have to do the opposite. Okay, that means when you go from this number to this, sorry, when you go from here to here, you are doing the square. But when you are going from here to here, you will do square root.
This is division.
And the symbol, this is the opposite. Yes, this is the opposite of square. And how it is represented? It is represented by this sign. Okay, that means in calculator, if you write this symbol and then 25, so 25 is a square of which number?
5.
5. Very good. So calculator
5.
will give you 5. Okay, you can try. Everyone, those who have calculator now, they can try this command.
Mister, I'm gonna go for
Square root.
Yes, this is known as square root. Okay, and cube root is the same thing, but to differentiate it, we write a small 3 here. We write a small 3 here. For example, 27. 27 is the cube root of which number? Do you remember the table? Look at your table.
7 multiplied 3.
7 multiplied 3.
How 7? How 7 is coming? 7 multiplied by 3
Oh
is
no, it's
27?
3. 3. Oh no.
3.
Yeah, 3.
Yes, 3 multiplied
yeah.
by 3 multiplied by 3 will give us 27, correct?
Yeah. Or
So-
3 times 9.
So, what will be the answer of cube root 27? It will be 3. This will be the
3.
answer.
Is this just division?
So, this is
Is it
read as cube root of 27. This is how we read it. And this is how we read square root of 25. Okay, everyone, note it down quickly. And then if someone has a question until this session, until what I have taught now, if you have a question, you can ask me, because now I will be going to the exercises. Make sure you understand square root and cube root.
Mister, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Understand the cube.
If there is a square
Okay,
and
Adam, wait. Yes, Amir.
if there is a square and cube, there is a power of 4. It's named like 27.
There is a power of 4. There is power of 10 also, but as far as we use these shortcuts, they are only for 2 and 3 only. For power 4, we don't have in daily calculations. We don't use any shortcut word. We will say to the power 4. We will say like this, the long method. Okay, yes, Adam.
Yeah, I didn't understand the cube root.
See, cube root is the opposite of cube. Come back here. Come back here. Now, if I give you a question like this, everyone look on the screen. If I give you something like this, what will be the answer? Which number multiplied by itself
Four.
3
Four.
times will give you 64? 4. Yes, Adam?
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which number multiplied by itself 3 times will give you 125?
Like 4.
Five.
Not
Five.
4. 5. Which number multiplied by itself will give you 1000?
1, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
10, 10, yeah.
10, 10,
Okay. Those who have scientific calculator, this cube root will be very easily available.
Mr. I don't have the cube root. I only have this the square one.
You have the scientific calculator or the other normal calculator?
No, I just have the one in Windows.
The one
Yes,
in the
I have.
Windows, there is an option for, if you see the 3 points, I will show you my screen.
Yeah. That's what.
Mr. in the phone, how it will be?
Well, I am
I
telling
saw
in everything. Okay, now look at the calculator on my screen.
We can.
This is the standard calculator in Windows, okay?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, if you go to here, there is an option for scientific. You can see this scientific.
Oh yeah.
Okay, if you go to scientific, then mashallah, see how many things are there.
Mister, we got the Mister
How?
high definition. We use the calculator.
I opened for you. Okay, now how you will find the cube root? 1 minute, let me check.
I think that's it.
No, I think it is in standard already. No, it's not there. In standard, in scientific, okay. 7 to the power 3. Like this. Okay, but we need the root version. So root version, let me see.
The small one.
Mr. I sent the photo on the WhatsApp group of the calculator.
You send something. Okay, let me see. This photo is from iPhone?
Yeah.
This is the perfect thing.
Yeah,
But,
also, Mr. It's on the laptop.
Mister, I'm using Huawei and I have the same.
No, I'm looking at the screen. If I can find log, okay, scientific, graphing, date collection, currency, volume. Let me find exponent. Second. Okay. See this second button. If you click on this second, you will find so many more options. This cube root, see?
Yeah.
This one.
Oh, okay.
See? So if you will write 64 and then click here. So you will get directly 4. And see what is written here? See what is written here?
Cube root.
Cube root.
Cube root 64,
Yeah.
you get 4. And if you click 1000 and then click here, what will you get?
10.
10. Clear?
10.
But
Yeah.
if you will take
That's-
any random number, if you take any random number like 842 and you take cube root, you will get something in decimal. This you will study in higher grades.
Mister.
Not in higher grades. I mean, some questions are in this book also in grade 7. So these type of things we cannot do directly in from pen and calculation. It will take a lot of time. So in these situations we use calculator. Adnan,
What?
you have to wait for your turn.
Mister, I want to say you something.
First time when I heard the roots,
From Jarir, it have cube root.
The calculator.
Yeah. In
He's
camera.
showing it on the camera. See it, Mr.
Mister, first time when I heard roots, I
Turns
thought
out I
they were
don't have
going.
it here. Turns
This
out I
one.
don't have this here.
This is
My
the
calculator is.
command. Yes.
Mister,
Okay. In mobile, I think you have to search in some scientific settings or maybe. Okay, I'll continue.
Yeah.
I'll continue back. Okay. So please write it down. Then I will bring now the screenshot of the exercise. Okay. Quickly write, everyone.
But Mr. If it will be a square root, we don't have to write the number 2 on the V shape, right?
It's understood. It's understood. Yes. Yes. Okay. Students, please pay attention that if this symbol is there without any number, okay, it means square root. Yani it is supposed that 2 is there already, but it's invisible.
Yeah.
Okay. So if no number is there, it means what?
2.
Square root.
Square root.
It's squared.
Square root. Okay. But if number is there 3, then it means it is cube root. Okay. So please note it down in a side column, something like this. So you guys will remember. It's like a shortcut. Okay. Just write it for yourself. Abdullah Asif is there or he left?
Hello, mister. I'm here.
You are here, huh? You must be knowing all of these things, right? This is nothing new for you.
I already know everything. That's why I'm quiet.
Mister.
Now I will be
First
starting
time-
the exercise.
Mister, first time when I heard
Mr.
roots, I thought we
Asif, bye.
You are going? Muhammad Amar is going, I think. Okay, the
Mister.
exercise. Yes, Ahmad Fuad. What happened?
when I first heard about roots, I thought we were going to be making plants in math.
Carrots and radish, something like that, huh? Roots.
Carrots plus tomato.
Desert. But tomato is not a root.
Mister, can I answer the first exercise?
Oh, the guy
Yeah,
who is always complaining about me, huh? Mister, why you don't ask me? You ask the whole class except me. The whole school. Sure, no problem, no problem. Kaisala, tell me the first and the C. These two. Tell me this one and tell me this one.
1 and 2.
A and C, these red color, these ones. Tell me
Oh,
these two
okay.
answers. 9 square is very easy. 14 square, don't look at your paper.
Teacher,
Hide your paper.
can I answer A?
Abdullah Hamza, please. Yes, Kaisala, give me your answer.
Okay.
This much
The
time?
first. What?
A lot of time you are taking. Quickly.
Okay, Mister. 9-2 will be.
9-2? 9-2? What is 9-2? There is no 9-2. 9 square.
9 square will be plus the division by 64.
Plus division by 64. What is this?
Mister, can I add
It is only 64. There is no plus division. What are you saying? Only 64. That's all. See? 64. Bas, that's all. What will be 14 square? What will be 14 square?
14 will be 121.
How 64? How
No.
64?
Abdullah Hamza.
Yes.
14
Mr. How
square, how
possible
much?
64?
Mr. 81, how 64?
What teacher?
81, Mr.
Sorry. Why did I
What
write 64? Okay. 14 square, how much? 14 square, how much?
Can I say, Mr.?
No, me.
Okay, Abdullah Hamza, how much?
Mister, are you asking me?
No, me.
Abdullah
Abdullah
Hamza.
Hamza. Yes. After Abdullah Hamza, Abdullah Asif will give me these answers. E
Okay.
part. Yes, tell me.
Mister, what's this beside it?
I will tell you this.
Yeah, the
Just
blood.
ignore this one. These two are rearranging of the digits. You remember 169 and 196?
Yeah.
1 minute.
Oh, yeah.
So which one will be bigger, 14
Teacher,
square or 13 square? Which will be
teacher,
bigger?
14
600
square.
teacher.
14 square.
Teacher,
Yes, Abdullah.
14 square equal 616.
616.
Yes.
Oh,
You are doing in your calculator, huh? Something.
No. And
Then I did not write this whole number in the whole page. Look here. Look here. Whole page I did not mention 616.
The biggest number is 400.
The biggest number is 400. Yes. Where is 616?
I make it in the paper.
How? How you make in paper 616?
He's a trickster. He's a trickster. It's his tricks.
See? 14 square is 196, not 616. Look.
by the way, Mr. I
Students.
thought it was 216.
Students, please write these values carefully. Otherwise, you will memorize the wrong thing and whole life you will think that that's the correct answer. Please. Okay? Okay, coming back.
Trick us.
Abdullah Asif, tell me the 13 square and 14 square, both. Tell me both.
14 and 13.
Yes, both. Yes.
Okay, the 14 is 196
Very good.
and the 13 is 169.
Very good. So, Abdullah Hamza, please note these values. This is the correct answer by Abdullah Asif. Clear? Okay.
Clear.
There is
Now,
a noise.
Sir.
There is a
Mr.
noise.
I told you, I know this chapter very well. So yeah.
Yes, no problem. Now, this thing I did not tell you till now. See, what is this thing? Now I will explain. What is the meaning of this? And then they have mentioned this. Okay. Now, see. Remember last week?
Different signs, Mister.
Yes. No. See, -3 multiplied by -3. Remember last week lesson? What will be the
Yes.
answer here?
Yeah, it will be.
Minus
Plus 9.
Six.
Plus 9. Positive 9.
9.
9.
Plus 9 or
Nine.
-9?
Yeah,
Nine.
plus
Positive
nine.
9. Positive
Minus
good.
9.
Minus
-9. How Ahmed for -9?
No, it's actually minus 7.
-7. Your
Oh,
hidden
yes.
trick. Okay. So, and 3 multiplied by 3 will give us what?
Minus 9.
What?
No, Mister.
9.
The new challenger of trickster.
RIP maths.
Build a grave. Build a grave.
3 multiplied by 3 will also be 9.
Yeah.
So what we can see? We can see that -3 square is also giving us 9 and 3 square is also giving us 9. So what we will do, if someone asks us, take care, this is one of the most important thing in this lesson.
Yeah.
If this thing is also giving me 9 and this thing is also giving me 9, so what can I write?
Mister,
can
who is
write
Ahmad on the طاولة? What
that
is this?
plus and minus 3 is the answer for square root 9. Square
So,
root 9.
Mr. If addition and subtraction are together, we will put negative. But
No. See, 6 plus minus 3, that is something else, and this is something else.
Mister, I didn't understand this.
I'll tell you one more time. See, last week we had 2 signs back to back. In that case, what will you do? I told you, you will merge them. You will get 6 minus 3, you will get 3 or whatever. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
But what I am telling you today, this is a combination of this minus and this plus. So this plus and minus are together written as plus minus. Here, one above the other.
Mr.
Yeah,
This is Mister fraction of signs.
It's not fraction.
Mr. I don't understand.
Me too.
Also me.
See,
And
okay,
me.
see, 25 square root. What will be the answer?
5 square.
5.
5
Five.
and minus 5. Even minus 5 square will give you 25. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
minus
No, it's
so to combine these two answer, you can write it like this also, no problem, or you can write it like this also, no problem. This is a combination of these two.
Okay.
This is also correct. This is also correct. Whatever you write, you can write. No problem.
Mister, like there's a hidden 5
And how
in
to
plus
solve in the
minus
book
5.
one?
Yani this means plus 5 and minus 5. This is the
Minus
meaning here.
Ah, okay, like
Plus and minus 5. It is a combination of that.
Yeah.
Means if someone asks you what is square root of 400, what will you tell?
20 square. Plus or minus 20 square.
Not square, only 20. You will say plus minus 20. That's all. This is the correct answer.
Okay, but in the book they put in the another one. 500. They are
Huh?
same.
What?
In the book they put on the root one, not on the.
Mr.
You
I
see
think the
book?
answer
Yeah.
is minus
They
10.
put it
Pretty
there.
sure.
Plus minus root
Yes.
square.
Here in front of square root, if they are writing, you have to ignore this minus because this minus will give you wrong answer. Okay, this is not
Mr.
possible.
Can I answer B?
So the answer here will be only 11. I will go for Salah now.
Yeah.
This will be 0. And what about F? What about F?
8.
Only 8.
4.
Only you can write plus minus 8. No.
8.
Only.
You can write plus minus 11.
8.
Okay.
But 7.
And find the square root or square root. You may use a calculator where there are two possible answers. Write both. Okay. I will bring the one more screenshot and then I will leave and then I will come back after Salah. Okay. You guys can stay
Mister, you take like
online.
15 minutes or 10?
Around 15.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm first of all adding the screenshot. So those who are interested in solving, they can bring their calculators and they can write the answers in the book, in the notebook, I mean, and then
Mister, there's this
I will check.
Mister, I have already
There's
completed
this
all.
Okay, that's why there are decimals. That's why we are allowing you to use calculator. So don't worry. If there are decimal, no problem. If as far as you are following the correct procedure and calculator, you will not mess up. You will get the same answer. Okay. So now I will leave. Okay. I will come back soon, inshallah. Okay. Around 15 minutes.
Hi guys.
Ow.
I'm the cute baby. Oh. Right.
Okay, what about right now? I'm in a cave. I'm on a cave really.
ما شاء الله.
اسماعيل
هذا جوال ولا اسماعيل؟
أصوات غريبة.
اسماعيل كيف هيك بتعمل؟
سحر مالك دخل.
اسماعيل بقول لك كيف؟
لا هلا هيك
في
صار في
برنامج.
أغاني عندكم صح؟
ياي
ياي
اسماعيل
ياي
بلا
هذا بس على اللابتوب ما بصير على الآيباد ولا شيء.
احكي والله.
هذا البرنامج يمكن
والله.
مصاري.
لا هو في هيك كم صوت مجاني أما الباقي مصاري.
انا علمت عليه والله انا
لا مش أنت أنا بعرفه قبلك. أنت بس هيك كنت حاطينه
لا،
ذكرتني
بس-
فيه.
اول شيء بالديسكورد انا وجمال استخدمناه بعدين انت.
بس أنا بعرفه قبل ما أعرفك. كيف أصوات هلا؟
تعمل صوتك بيبي؟
شو يا بدر؟
تعمل صوتك بيبي.
بيبي ايش؟
شو اسم البرنامج؟
اسمه فويس مود. VOICEMOD.
على القبلة
بس
على جوجل؟
لا هذا بس شو اسمه لابتوب. اوكي هلا انا بيبي يا مستر بدر.
ايوه هذا مين هذا؟
هذا أنا. هاي كيف صوتي هلا؟
صوت عادي.
صوت عادي؟ أحمد
طب انت عيبك فيه؟ ايباد في جوجل
ما في يا زلمة، ما في. I tried on my phone.
يمكن ايباد غير التليفون.
يوسف شو كان هذاك اسم
جربت
شو اسم
ايباد اختك؟
جرب. يوسف شو الصوت اللي بيسوي صوتك ضخم؟ شو ملاقيه؟
هاي لازم لنا سماعة كمان صح؟
هو بصير بدون سماعة، بس بالسماعة أحسن. بس إذا نزلته لازم يضلك فاتحه عشان يشتغل معك المايك أكتر.
مم.
إذا بدك يا عادي تحط الكلين، هذا اللي أنا بحطه أحيانا هيك صوت عادي صح؟
هاي.
يوسف رد علي أوكي؟ يلي. طب هلا بكره بلاقي كل الناس منزلينه. حلو.
عادي.
Anyways.
هي نزلتها ايباد. استنى شو هذا الصوت؟
يوسف يوسف فراس.
هذا اسماعيل صح؟
أنا
اسماعيل.
بيبي الكيوت. إيه
شفت الديسكورد سيرفر اللي عاملينه، بعت اسم البرنامج عليه.
أوكي استنى ديسكورد.
ده اسماعيل؟
هذا سيرفر نقطة.
يا ماسكاك.
ما انت سويته كمان مليون سيرفر.
سووا 1000 سيرفر. أنا جنيت من السيرفرات.
مليون جروب شات، مليون سيرفر، ما شاء الله.
إيه هذا بدي
يا
أسويه
حبيبي
يوسف.
الفيل اجا.
شو اسم الصوت؟ شو اسم
جنب
الصوت؟
النملة. هاي النملة وهذا الفيل.
صوت طيب ولا؟
كفوركم.
آخر صوت أنا حطيت لك الضخم.
انا زبط عندي الموقع زبط.
إيه صدقين
مصدق صح؟
مش حيزبط على الآيباد. trust me. هذا آب لابتوب خاص. يوسف كاتب بدعة.
عن جد؟
يوسف كمان بدي الصوت الهيك اللي بيسوي جمال بيستعمله بالكل.
ولو
أنت Hey you. What are you trying to do? My son. Hey you, what are you trying to do? خلاص تعال شي تاني كمان.
كيف صوتي هلا؟
اتس كلين.
كيف صوتي هلا؟
ديرتي.
ديرتي؟ اوكي.
بوك 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 بوك.
لا هذا الصوت بيضحك. هذا الصوت كتير فاني صح؟
صح.
اوكي.
جرب غني فوق الصوت.
سوف أسوي.
جرب غني فوق الصوت.
لحظة اللي أول حصلت جمال بنت
to do a song.
جرب غني
على
فوق الصوت.
صوتي يا بدر.
أكيد يا
حلو.
إسماعيل.
Okay. Yes. I'm the boss. To your brother. أنا on the cave.
غني فوق غني.
I'm a caveman.
غني.
I'm a caveman. Okay.
ليه الدايموند؟
Are we playing Minecraft?
غرفتك فاضية عليها صدى.
No, it's just a sound. اوكي هلا بغني لك شو بدك شو بدك شو
يا باي
أنا
اسمعي يا اسمعني
كأني اللي طلع بسبايدر مان الضخم.
مين هو صوته خشن
انا اتس مي اسماعيل
استغفر الله استغفر الله.
مين هو اسمعي كم مرة
Okay, I'm Smile. I'm the baby. I'm a baby. I'm a baby.
اسمعني ده كويس ولا
Hello.
حاسس مش طبيعي.
ايه what 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 let me try the magic let's do هلك هيك هلك يا بدر هلا صوتي ايش هيك اوكي كويس يا it's me
Answer.
اوكي اوكي هيك صوتي عادي صوتي no it's good it's good it's good شو الليل مود let me try at can get okay Father, 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 father,
مين هو الهدايا
father.
مطرب ما شاء الله مطرب
هلا يا بدر هلا
يا
حلو شوي She knows, she knows, she knows. And you'll find
اسماعيل خربت.
she knows she knows
لا انت هيك خربتها.
she knows سامعين صوت؟ في صوت أغنية؟ Is there؟
الحمد لله.
اوكي هلا حسمعكم. لا هلا هيك الصوت بتقول she knows. صوت
لا.
أغنية.
لا لا
اوكي
لا.
هلا حسمعهم.
طفي.
خلوا اسمعوا.
هاد مش شي نوت، هاد بدك تضرب شو انت.
زلمة هذا يا أختكم. أيوه.
اسماعيل خلص يا
في عندي صدى ما شاء الله.
ما شاء الله.
حلو الصدى.
ما شاء الله انت بتخرب علينا الحس.
اوكي هلا لازم يكون راح الصدى.
لا
لا راح.
لا.
راح. ايوه. الو.
لا مش أنا.
Why are you هذا أمير. ليشك صوت. She knows.
Yes, let's do it. I'm gonna kill you. Okay. I'm
خلاص يا اسماعيل.
monster. أنا عاجبني. Let me see. Yusuf Virus. Okay, something like that. Like so. Wait. ولا شيء حاطين voice mode.
خلاص يا اسماعيل انت واللي هاد تبعك.
ده
Oi. I will be removing from the class.
But it was the ghost. He came and he was talking.
Subhanallah.
Better not mess with the boss.
Okay.
Find the square root, square root. Okay. So 3.6 square in calculator, what will you get?
9.36.
Yeah.
Right, mister? I will soon.
No, wrong.
Wait, I'm also I will check what I write.
Mr. Which one?
This one, 2a, 3.6 square.
12.96. 12.96.
Mister, can I go before
Okay, you can.
because I want to go eat.
Okay, no problem.
Mr.
12.96.
12.96.
I come back
Yes.
later.
Yes, okay, no problem. 12.96. Okay. What about 0.32 square?
0.1024.
Yeah, 0.1024. 0.1024.
0.32.
Yeah.
0.10.
I got 0.0104856.
لا, I get
You
another.
did something else. You did something else, I think.
What is this?
129.96.
Yeah, 129.96. 196.
Oh yeah, I get the 1000.
Okay. Now this one.
Know how the Mr. is able to use like in 10 seconds.
16.81 square root.
282.5761. 282.5661.
What
Yeah.
are you doing? The answer is 4.1. What are you doing?
Okay. This. Okay.
What are
I
you doing?
didn't. Okay.
Square root.
Mister, I
This is
didn't
not cube
understand
root.
this.
Yeah.
Square root.
4.1 how?
Do in the calculator.
And then another one.
Mister, you know what I did? I make 16.81 square.
Also me,
see?
yeah. Also me.
See,
Also me.
what about this one?
0.6.
0.0256.
0.16?
0.4. Adnan is correct. Plus minus, Adnan missed. Adnan, why did you miss plus minus? You have to say plus minus
Because they write it in
0.4.
the beginning.
No, in the answer you have to write. You have to write here in the answer also. What about last?
This is a cube or okay.
0.8. 0.8.
Can you see? Can you see 3 here?
Okay, خلاص
No.
خلاص.
0.8.
0.8
خلاص.
No,
plus minus
incomplete.
0.8.
Yes, now it's
Mister,
complete.
he
Yes.
see that
Plus
you
minus
wrote
0.8.
0.8.
But Mr. Why it's so important to write plus minus?
Because there are 2 answers in this question, not just one. Like I proved to you here that how can you achieve 25 by 2 answers.
Because
5 multiplied by 5 will also give 25, and minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 will also give you 25. So there are 2 answers. So how will you write 2 answers in a short space? You will write plus
five.
minus and then 5. It means 2 answers. Clear?
Yeah. Clear.
What
Clear,
about this one?
not clear.
Clear. What about this one? Now, but, read the question. Find the square or square root, round the answer to 1 decimal place.
Like how, Mr.?
Okay, that means if in the calculator you will write 1.13 square, you will get 1.2769. Yes, a very big answer.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
So 1.2.
1.2769.
1.2769. Now they are asking only 1 decimal place. Yes, Abdullah Asif?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Sandwich is very tasty, huh?
What?
So we need
No,
only 1
let's
decimal place.
sound like this.
So we need to remove these 3, correct? But to round it off, you have to look at this number. 7. Is 7 greater than 5 or less than 5?
Greater.
Greater than 5. So 1.2 will become what?
1.7.
1.7.
1.3. Rounding. You forgot the rounding chapter?
Oh,
Rounding.
Mr. Yeah. Like
Like
2
for example, 2.24. Which one is better? Should I make it 2.20 or should I make it 2.30? Which one is closer?
No, 2.20.
2.20.
2.20 is closer, right? So this is the correct rounding. Similarly,
Like Mr.
if you have 1.2769, which one is better? I make it 1.2 or I make it 1.3? Which one is closer?
1.3.
1.3 because 27.
Yes, because this is 7. This is very near to 3. So what we will write in the final answer?
1.3.
1.3.
Only 1.3. Only. We will not give this big answer. Why? Because they are asking like that. If they will say no need to round, khalas, you will write the full answer. Okay? You understand, Adnan?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
It
Mr.
would
if
be
it
9.6.
was,
What about next? What about
if there
next?
is
3.1 square.
9.6. 9.6.
9.61. And it'll be 9.6 after rounding.
Yeah, 9.6. Yeah, I said.
So 3.1 square will be 96.1. Oh, sorry. 9.61. And when you will round, see, in calculator, you will get 9.61. And if you will round it off, you will round it 9.6 or 9.7?
9.6.
9.6.
9.6.
So that will be our final answer. Yes. Okay. What about these?
2.5.
2.5.
Plus minus 2.5. Plus minus 2.5.
8.
Not 8. Plus minus 2.5. That's very good.
Teacher,
What
I
about
didn't
what?
Teacher, I didn't understand B.
Are you using calculator?
Yeah.
No.
That's why.
1.6. 1.6.
Do you have calculator in your mobile?
Yes.
Try.
Mr. See the answer that I
Instead of 1.6. 1.6.
Try. Abdullah Hamza, try this one.
Okay, 1 minute.
This one, try in your calculator. Square root of In the calculator, you don't have to write plus minus, okay? You don't have to write plus minus calculator.
Yeah.
Just write square root 64. You will get 2.5298221281. Very big answer.
Question B, I got 2.52982212813470.
Yes. You will just take. You will round it off. Okay. Now, what about the last answer?
1.6.
Mr. Ismail is cheating in calculator. He's so fast.
Cheating in calculator.
Yeah.
Ahmed Fuad, where is he?
Here.
Oh, secretly listening to everyone, huh? But not responding. Okay, Ahmed Fuad, tell me this answer last. Are you having mobile with you or calculator with you nearby, or it's 2,000 kilometers away from you?
I'll just use a calculator. I feel like a sinner. I've done a crime against humanity.
Mr.
Okay, tell me.
1.5.
No.
No.
You are getting 1.58. So
Yeah.
8 is bigger than 5 or less than 5?
Yeah. 8 bigger. So it will be 1.6.
It will be 1.6. Yes, Abdullah Asif, am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Professor Asif? Professor Asif, huh? Wow, looks so cool. Professor
No, I'm
Asif.
not Professor Asif. I'm not Professor Asif.
Okay. Okay.
But
Now
Mr. What
is this?
coming back to question number 4.
What is this?
See, what is the side length of a square with area? Now, if I make a square here, and this is 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter, what will be the area of the square?
10.
25.
25.
Area will be 25. What? Real?
No,
Centimeter.
Centimeter.
Okay.
Square.
Easy.
Okay. Now, if I ask you the opposite thing, for example, there is a square. His area is 36 centimeter square. So, what will be the length?
The length will be
6. Yeah, 6. And the width 6.
Professor Ahmed Fuad, the great. 6. Okay. Now, that means we have to find square or square root. What we have to do here? Square or square root?
Square.
No.
No, square root. Square root.
In this portion, we are doing square root. And in this portion, we are doing square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, if the area of the square is 7.84 centimeter square, what will be the length? We have to use square or square root?
Square
root.
Square root. Now, in your calculator, write 7.84 square root like this.
2.8.
Tell
2.8.
me what is the answer. Let me see.
Is it 2.8?
Let me do the crime myself. Let me see.
Okay.
7.
Yeah, 2.8.
It's -7.
Yeah, -7.
Okay. Coming back to the question. Yes, what will be the answer?
2.8.
2.8.
Now, if the student writes plus minus 2.8, is it correct or not?
No.
No.
No, very good. No, because length cannot be negative.
Yeah.
So in those questions where you have units like this, then only take the plus answer. But if there are no units, like the above questions, question number 2, question number 3, write what? Plus and minus both. Am I clear, Adnan? Abdullah Hamza, am I clear?
Yes.
Please repeat what I said.
Teacher, I'm making the calculator 1 minute.
Then why did you say yes?
Mister, like for
Because I
every
understand.
for each question we have to make a answer.
Wait.
A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Wait. Adnan, can you repeat what I said? What important thing I told you now?
What, mister?
What, mister? Abdullah Asif, can you repeat what I said?
I can.
Abdullah Asif.
Yes.
Yes. Can you repeat what I told moments ago? can explain? No one is listening.
Me,
just
me.
They
I
are
can.
playing.
Which one, Mister?
I
Me.
I can.
Not which one. The concept, the important
Yeah.
thing that I told, that student gets confused. Yeah, Faris or Firas. Sorry, I
Firas.
forgot your name. Firas, tell
yes.
me, Firas. What did I explain just now? Everyone,
okay.
please pay attention because I will ask. Okay? Yes,
Okay.
Firas, continue.
We only write negative and plus for the numbers that don't have a unit, but like the above. But like for example, the 2.8 centimeter, we don't like write negative and plus because it have
Yes.
like a unit.
Very good. This is what I told, that if a question like this come and in the exam, if you are writing plus minus
No, this is
28,
wrong.
the teacher can deduct marks, but the teacher will not deduct marks. In Orbit Pioneer, we will not cut. But if you are in my school here in India, they will cut half marks. Why? Because the length cannot be negative. What is the meaning of minus 5 centimeter? Nothing.
Minus.
Okay.
Minus
So
5
you cannot write minus. You will just write the
Mister,
answer
this is the number
2.8.
9.
That's all.
Sir,
Okay. Now
Mister,
next question. Next part.
7.8. 7.8.
Let me check.
He is predicting it.
And then 12.5.
He already
ready.
did all the parts, I think. This
Yeah,
one is
I'm-
7.8 what? Real.
No,
Or
centimeter.
yen.
Mister.
Centimeter.
Japanese
Centimeter.
Japanese yen. Huh? Japanese yen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
Euro.
Mister, 7.8 7.8 yen will be less than 1 halala.
Now last one. 156.5.
12.5 centimeter. قصدي millimeter.
Millimeter.
12.5 millimeter.
12.5
Easy.
mm. Okay. Come back
12.5.
to question number 5.
Yeah, let's see.
3.2. What is
What's
this?
waiting us?
Now tell me what we have to do here. Read the question now. I think your English
What
is
is
very
the
good.
area
This
of
is
a
the area of a
square
square
with side length? I think here we should
Mister, it's the opposite
find
because in question 4,
yeah.
what is the side length of a square?
Here we should find the area of the square side.
Mister, you have to find the length of the area. No.
Length of
No,
the
the area of the length.
The area of the length. Yeah.
The area,
the area.
that's all. That's all. Area.
Easy.
So area, how will you find?
So 3.2 square.
Yes, correct.
3.2.
So it will
What will be
be
the answer? Final answer?
9.4.
10.24. 10.24.
Real.
لا meter. لا dollar. I mean dollar.
Who want to give the correct answer?
1.8. No, what? Wait.
Yes, Ahmed Fuad. Tell.
Okay.
Where does it disappear?
Okay, 3.2 meter.
Yes, tell me the first one. What will be the answer? What will be the area of a square with side length 3.2 meters?
It will be 3.2 meter multiply 3.2 meters.
Okay, what's your final answer?
Okay.
So I know.
Can I? It will
What is
be.
going in the background?
Yeah, there's sound.
Like engineer.
It will be 10.24
No. I know.
meters square.
At my neighbor's house, there is some construction going on. But what about your background noises? Someone is doing wudu or what?
Mr. 10.24 meters square.
Growing up.
10.24
meters square.
10.2
meters square. Very good. Abdullah,
Yeah.
what are you saying?
Mr. The answer is 10.24.
But unit also you have to mention. I am paying attention on unit, but you guys forget the unit all the time.
But Mr. What is better, to make it 10.24 or 10.2?
Are they telling you to round?
No.
So write the complete answer. Next,
Mr.
6.9 mm.
47.61 mm square. Millimeter square. See, this is full.
Mr. The answer, Mr.
47.61 millimeters square.
47.61
yes.
mm2.
47.61 mm square.
Yeah.
Adnan, how did I get this answer?
What?
Badar, sorry, Badar will tell how did I get 47.61. Explain, Badar.
Yes.
Yes, explain. How did I get 47.61 in this answer? What did I do?
مستر كم عدنان؟
No.
10.24.
10.24. That's gone. That's the last answer. There is no relation between 10.24. 10.24 was the answer of this. And 6.9 mm, the answer is this. So how did we get 47.61? This is what I'm asking. My question is very clear. Whether you know the answer, yes or no, I will pass to someone else.
No.
Mister, can you pass it to me?
I don't-
Pass the ball to me, Mister. Pass the ball.
Adam, explain.
Adam is still here or he's gone?
قال لي مين محمد فوق.
عدنان.
Muhammad Ammar was here also.
But Adam's name is showing here.
Mr. Adam is here, but he is not talking.
No, maybe he went somewhere.
Teacher, I don't understand this part.
Did you understand the first part?
No, I don't understand this part.
If you have a square,
Yes.
this 5 centimeter,
Yes.
what will be the area of this square?
25.
How did you get?
5 multiply 5 equal 25.
If you have 3.2 centimeter here, if you have 3.2 centimeter, what will be the area?
6. No, not 6.
6.6. Wow. Guess any answer and just keep on guessing. Are you using calculator? Use calculator and tell me the exact answer.
No, okay.
Mr. How do you answer the C?
Okay. But the guys cannot answer A and B. Forget the C.
Teacher, it's equal 16.
What did you do in the calculator? Tell me. RIP maths. How did you get 16? RIP 16. Pray for this 16 number.
I make 3.2 multiply 5.
Oh, no. See, how can it be a square if the two sides are not equal? If this is 3.2, so that means all the sides are 3.2. So why are you multiplying by 5? You will multiply by itself. That means a square. 3.2 and then square. This you will do. This.
Yes, it's 3.2 multiply 3.2 equal 10.24.
That's what I wrote here.
And I understand.
Badr, did you understand?
Mr. I didn't understand.
Kaisala arrived out of nowhere and started complaining. Were you there for the past half an hour?
Nope.
Then?
I was eating.
Now you eat my brain.
Yeah.
See, we are finding the. Were you there in any of the questions here? Exercise?
Nope, I wasn't.
Then I will give you maybe in the last time. Okay. Here we are doing the squares and cubes. If a number is multiplied by itself 2 times, it is square. Like this. Here. Okay. And if a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, we get cube. Like this.
Yes, mister, I know.
Okay. Now we are doing this in calculator. In calculator, if you type 3.1 square, what will you get? You will get 9.6, something like that. We will round it off. You will get 9.6. Okay. This is what we were doing. What about the last answer?
I know, Mr.
2.89. 2.9 centimeters.
Abdullah Asif will answer.
2.89 centimeter.
Your
Mister,
answer is
no,
incomplete.
mister. I want to say for you something. I
Square.
didn't understand
Teacher,
the
I
thing
know it,
that
I know
you
it.
were doing.
See, Khaisara, we have a square,
Yeah,
okay, and if this is 5 centimeter, what will be the area of this square?
it will be 5 multiplied 20.
How 20? 5 multiplied by 5 is 20?
25, I mean.
25
Teach-
centimeter square.
Teacher,
And if I 1 minute, if I ask you a reverse question, if there is a square whose area is 49 mm square, area is given, and I am asking how much is the length, what will you tell me? What is the side length?
7.
7. Why? Because square root. You did square root of 49, yes?
Yeah, it will be
Similarly,
7.
that's what we are doing in question number 4. This
teacher,
is what we did in question number 4.
teacher.
And in 1 minute, Abdullah Hamza. And in question number 5, we are finding the area like this. Like this. If you have 5 centimeter side, what will be the area? 5 square.
25.
If you have 3.2 centimeter square, something like this, 3.2 here, 3.2 here, what will be the area? You will use calculator and you will multiply 3.2.
No,
by
Mr.
3.2.
I think.
Okay.
No
You will
need
get
for
this. No need for calculator. You will give me 6.4 then. If you will
Yeah.
Yes.
6.4. Mashallah. See? Okay, Abdullah Asif, what you were telling me,
No,
answer.
teacher, I am Abdullah Hamza. The answer of 1.7 is
But I asked Abdullah Asif, not you, about this question.
Mister, can I ask you a question?
Abdullah Asif, you will not answer, I will ask Abdullah Hamza. Otherwise,
Yes, sir, I'm here.
okay, give me the answer, this one, last one.
2.89 centimeter.
2.89. After the decimal, you guys have to say the digits separately. Don't say 89.
Okay.
Okay, say 89.
2.89 centimeter.
2.89 centimeter.
Yes.
There is something missing.
Missing.
2.
There is something missing. There is something missing.
Square.
There is a square was missing. Now
Sir.
it's complete.
Mister, I think it's missing because the answer should be -7.
Answer will be -7. Okay. Here.
I think for that. Or more. Will we also fractions with the roots?
Fraction with root.
Oh no.
For
This is going
example.
to be the most.
For example. No, this is just like cancellation. Like, see, I will tell you how to solve this question. You have square root, and in the square root, you have a fraction, correct?
Yeah.
So this square root can be given individually, okay? So you can write it as this. Then what will be the answer of square root 16? 4. What is the square root of 49?
7.
That's khalas. Finish.
7. That's it, mister?
That's it. Okay. So what will be the B part? What will be the B part?
9 over
9 over
10.
10 khalas. Next, last one.
5 over 8.
5 over 8.
Khalas, finish.
How, Mister? How?
How Adnan? Muhammad Amir, explain to Adnan.
You will make the root of the two numbers, like 16. What is the square root of it? It will be 4. And what is the square root of 49? It's 7. So you'll make the fraction of 4 over 7.
It's easy. It's easy.
Adnan, did you understand?
Yeah.
Mister, I am the best on explanation.
After me.
Yeah.
9 over 10.
Mr.
Okay,
Khalid.
and Badr, what is the last
Badr,
answer?
Badr.
Badr, tell me the last answer. Yes.
Okay. The last answer, 25. It will be 5.
Okay.
And 64. It will be 8.
But we missed the plus minus sign. Oh, yeah. We have to write the plus minus. Yes.
But Mister, it's not written in the question.
but I will write because that is
Plus minus.
yes. I
Mister,
will
Like
write.
Mr. On
8
every square root, it have to be there's plus
Plus
minus.
minus, yes, but not cube root. Yes, only square root you will give plus minus.
Ah, okay.
Always.
Mr.
No.
Cube, no?
No. In cube root, for example, if you have cube root of 27, you will only write 3. You will not write plus minus 3. That will be wrong. Oh, sorry. In cube root, okay? In cube root, you cannot write plus minus. You can write plus minus only in square root. Only in
Square root.
square root, not cube root. So, the last... this is okay, calculator stuff, okay. Well, let me see what's there in the next lesson.
Mister, there is no time because there's only a quarter hour. Or 15
Yeah,
minutes.
15 minutes. Mister, we can study the next lesson tomorrow.
See who's speaking? Who didn't join? Who didn't attend the full lesson today?
But
Yeah.
it's easy. I
See,
didn't
next
attend it, but
exercise.
it's easy.
Say it one more time. Say it one more time. We want to hear it.
I
didn't
didn't.
understand, but it's easy. Wow.
I didn't attend.
You didn't attend. No problem. See, this exercise I will not solve it now because this is ultra easy. This is just a calculator one. But they are saying without calculator. Okay, what is the cube of 3? First answer. 3 cube. What will be the answer?
It will be like
27.
27. Very good.
27.
What will
27.
be B? B answer. B.
B 8 wait.
Cube root.
It will be
Wait.
like 2 or 3.
2. Very good. Kayasala is paying attention. 2 will be the answer. Very good. Now tell me the C part. Minus 1
C.
multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. What will be the answer?
What?
It will be like 1. I think it's 3 or 1. 1.
1, Mister.
No.
1.
Minus 1.
Negative 1.
Minus 1 is the correct answer.
Yeah.
Who said minus 1?
Me, Muhammad Amir.
محمد أمير. Me عدنان.
Me Faiz.
Yes, me بدر.
No, Adnan.
What about D part?
D. What is this? 5? No. Yeah. 5.
300.
No.
300?
4.
Minus 5.
Minus 5
Minus
is the
5.
answer because minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 will give me minus 125. So minus 5 is the only correct answer. You cannot say 5.
Teacher.
What about E? What about E part? E.
Minus 64.
Minus 64. Very good. And F part?
What is this?
1.
It will be
Only one.
like
Yeah, 1,
Correct.
Mister.
Very
yeah.
good. 1. Only 1. See,
Yeah.
this exercise is so easy.
Yeah,
Coming back here. Now here you can use a calculator. No problem. This is just... Okay. Now I will tell you... how can you write it in a short form? Like 3 is multiplied how many times? In question number 1A.
3, 5, 3, 5. 3 powered by 5.
In power, how will you write it?
3 powered by 5.
3 power 5. Khalas. 3 to the power 5.
Yeah, 3.
Next one.
5.
Next one. In 7 is coming how many times?
7 powered by 7. 7 powered by
7
7.
times 7 power 7.
7 to the power 7. Okay.
Yeah.
C part.
5.
It's 3 powered
5
by
to the power 8.
8.
5 to the power 8 or 8 to the power 5?
5 to
5
the
to
power 8.
the power
5 to the power 8. Very
5
good.
to
What
the power
about
8.
D part?
Minus 2.
Negative 2
Negative 2
powered
to the power
by
2.
4. Negative 2 powered by 2. 4.
By the power 4.
What?
Minus 2 power
confused.
4. Minus 2 power 4.
Negative 2 is powered by 4.
Mister,
Yes.
if you add negative by negative 5, it will be negative 7. The evidence is all lining up.
Yes, some conspiracy is going on. Okay.
Mister,
Now,
what is this?
no. Now multiple and factor is the lesson that I will discuss small little bit now, and then we will finish. Okay, because this is very interesting, and I have taught some things related to factors and multiples. Okay, so I will tell you something today. And if you guys need, tomorrow also I can make lesson.
Yeah,
because
make tomorrow, please,
from
Mr.
next week,
Make it longer.
because from next week my college is opening, and I don't know I will be able to give you classes on Friday or
Mister, when
Saturday.
you're free, you can make. If you are not free, you can.
But when I'm free,
Yeah, but tomorrow-
there will be night. There will be night in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Like,
tomorrow I
like
want
see,
to say
like
for you
see,
some-
my college will be from Monday to Saturday. Okay, I will be free on Sunday,
Okay.
and on Sunday you have school. You guys have school.
You can make
So
it
this
like
is
5 p.m. in the Saudian time.
I will check my timings and then I will tell you. Now, multiples and factors. Multiple means what? For example, you have a number 5. Who is playing drums in the background? Tick, tick, tack, tick, 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 tack. Who is playing?
Adnan.
Someone is playing drums. Okay. Now, if you have 5 and they are asking multiples, so multiples of 5 will be the table of 5. That means 5, 10.
Mister, you are making anything because it's only showing the picture of the book.
Why do I forget this always? Okay, what I was telling, yes, I was telling that multiples and factors.
Mister, we took this in grade 6.
Grade 5.
So multiples of 7. What will be multiples of 7?
7, 14, 21, 28, 35.
49.
7, 14, and 21.
And so on. And so on.
Like this, yeah.
28.
Okay. Now, who can tell me the factors of 12?
12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72.
Wrong.
Yeah.
I did not ask multiple.
Yeah, factors now. Factor. What was it?
Factors.
3, 4,
12.
2, 1,
12, 13,
2,
14.
3, 4, 6.
2 multiplied by 6. 2 and 6.
Oh,
Muhammad Ali is there.
Sorry, I came late.
There's only 10 minutes left.
See, factors means in whose
we
table
did it in grade 6.
12 comes. Okay, this is the meaning of factor. What about
Like
factors of 14?
14, 1 and 14, and 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 1 and 14, 2 and 7.
1 and 14, it's like a pair. Okay, 1 multiplied by 14.
Now
Then
2,
what
7.
comes? 2 and
2 and 7. 7.
2 and 7. That's all. So there are how many factors? 4 factors.
4.
And,
Mister, wait.
okay, what about factors of 20?
1 and 20,
1
2
and 20,
10.
2 and 10, 5 and 4.
Oh, yeah, 5 and 4.
Yeah, that's it.
1 and 20. Okay.
6 and
Firas?
4, 6 and 4, 6 and 4.
2 and
How 6
2
and
and 2 and 10.
Oh, 6 multiplied. Oh, okay.
2 and 10.
5 and 4.
4 and 5. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
6.
Yeah.
6.
Now.
Mister,
Okay. Now.
did you take like in grade 6 the prime numbers?
Yes. So if now comes HCF, the full form is
And GCF.
now the American students will say it is GCF, huh? But the British students will say it's HCF, highest common
The
factor.
American students has left, Mister.
So I remember
They have left the chat. And LCM is lowest.
The lowest. What was it?
Least common factor, lowest.
And multiple. See, M
Yeah,
is
lowest common
coming
factor.
from here. And F is coming from here. Okay?
Yeah.
So write it down. Write this down. Write this example. Write this example, multiple factor, and this example, and then full form. Write it quickly.
Trying to get my notebook.
MashaAllah.
I'll just take a screenshot. I'll see it on WhatsApp, okay?
Highest common factor and the lowest common multiple.
Now the calculation process is very, very interesting. How it is interesting, I will demonstrate. See, let me change the pen. Okay. If you have to find HCF of 24, everyone pay attention, otherwise you will be confused. If someone tells you to find the HCF of 24 and 36, what you will do? You will make two trees, something like this. What easy? I did not even explain.
I know, we know this, Mister.
In grade 6?
Yeah.
You remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Yes, Mister.
But
No
we didn't
problem.
explain.
I will explain one more time. No problem. But this way you did not do. You did another way.
Yeah.
For HCF.
Yeah,
okay?
but Mister, we did like
So what-
like you said, but without lines. That is like vertical.
Now what we will do here? See, we have to think of a number starting from 2 in whose table 24 comes. So in the table of 2, 24 comes?
6.
No, in the table of 2, 24 comes? Yes.
Yes.
And 12.
At
12,
what
and
position?
12.
12 position. Now, for 12, 12 comes in 2 table or no?
Yeah.
It does.
Yes. At
6.
what position?
6.
6. Keep repeating this process. Huh? Huh?
It will be
Huh?
3.
Huh?
Mute.
What is this?
Who is this? Who? Yeah.
لهجة مصرية ولا ايش؟ صح؟
صح يا مستر.
See, now how can you verify that this was correct? Multiply all these numbers. You will get 24.
2 multiply 2, 4, and 4 multiply 3, 2
Mister, I
equal
don't
8, 8
understand
multiply
this.
3 equal 4.
If you get back the same number, that means your calculation was correct till now. Otherwise, check again. Kaisala, see, for example, 36.
No, this is Adnan,
Yes.
Mister, who did it.
Just 36.
Okay.
Adnan, okay. Adnan, 36 comes in the table of 2, yes or no?
Yes.
At what position?
Mister, 18 or 20.
18, yes. 18. Now, 18 comes in the table of 2, correct?
Yes.
At what position? So write 2, and at what position? Write it down here. So you have to go like this.
9.
You have to go like
So
this.
easy,
Okay?
Mister.
9. Now 9 comes in the table of 2?
No.
No.
So we
It
will
comes
go to
in
3.
3.
3. At what position?
3.
3.
Third
3.
position. Now 3
3
comes in the
comes
table of
in
3 at 1
Yeah.
position.
Yeah.
When we get 1,
Yeah.
khalas, we will stop. We will stop
Yeah.
here. Okay?
2
Now,
multiply 2 equal 4, 4 multiply 3 equal 12, 12 multiply 3 equal 36.
so this way you can check. Now, how we will find the final HCF? For HCF, what you will do? You will write 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3.
3.
And then below this, you will write 36 is equal to 2
2
times
multiply
2
2, 3.
times 3 times 3. Now, what are the common ones? What are the common ones? Make a circle.
2, 2, and the 2, 2, 3, 3, and
Just
2.
And then multiply all these commons. So you got 2 common here. You got 2 common here. You got 3 common here. Multiply them. You will get the final answer HCF. This is the final
Mister,
answer.
wait, I want to write.
It's your 12.
Yes.
Mister, we take it
I
in grade
understand.
6.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we took it.
But this is a
I think
different way.
not with that this way. You took with another way.
Yeah.
Yeah, but all the same, right, Mister?
But this one is faster and easier than that procedure. That's why at
Yeah.
that time also I told you that in my school I did not study your procedure. I studied like this, the one I'm telling you now.
It's easier.
Yeah.
Okay, now who can
Mr.
tell me the HCF? Who can tell me now? I'm giving an open question now. Who can tell me
Mr. Can I-
HCF? No, everyone has to solve in their notebook. HCF of 18 and 30.
Okay.
Okay.
But before solving, you have to note this question first. You have to note this question first, this example. Then only you have to go for the another question. Okay?
Okay.
First note
Teacher,
this.
can I say about 18?
But did you write this first above?
Which one?
This, everything on the screen.
No.
Did you write everything on the screen? You have to write first.
Okay.
This all in the red color, this red circle. Write this everything first.
Yeah, take screenshot.
Take screenshot and never read it again. And then go for this question. HCF of 18 and 30.
Yes, I finished 18.
Firas is there or he left?
No, he's here. I'm here.
So are you solving? Are you writing this?
Yeah.
I hope the class is not boring.
No,
Is
Mr.
it?
It's so funny.
It's a little bit boring, a little bit.
Because you already know this lesson.
Yeah.
Are you writing this stuff or you are just watching the screen?
Watching the screen.
Enjoying, huh?
Yeah, it's like a movie cinema. And you all are the actor here.
So many actors and only one viewer.
Yeah, I'm just checking the movie. I'm the movie director.
Mr. I finished the one.
Teacher, I finished 18 and 13.
So give me the final answer, Abdullah Hamza.
18 and 1 and 9 and 2 and 3 and 6.
No. You don't have to do that. You have to do like this. To do like this. We will write 2 here.
Yes.
Mr. Why we will write 2?
Because in the table
Mister, I
of
got-
2, we will start from 2. In the table of 2, 18 comes. That's why I will
Yes.
write 2. Then
Okay.
Abdullah Hamza.
3.
How 3?
No.
In the
9.
table of 2, 18 comes at what position? 3rd position?
No.
No.
9.
9.
9th position.
9 comes in the table of 3.
Then 3.
Then
3,
3. Then 3. Then 1.
1, like that.
30.
Can I do number 30? Can I do
What about
30?
30?
Can
2,
I
it will be
finish
15. 15.
5.
2,
15.
2. Then 15. Then
3. 3.
5.
Then 3 and 5
Then 1.
and then
5. Then 1.
4.
5 and 1.
That's all.
Mr.
Who is still
Very
confused?
confusing.
Teacher, me little bit confused.
So easy.
Adnan, I am confused.
With some practice, inshallah, you will be quick. You just have to remember at what position that number is coming. For example, 30. So see, this 15 and 2 multiply will give you 30. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like,
And
I
this 3
need-
multiplied by 5 will give you 15.
15. And 5
5
multiply 1
1
will give
equals
5.
5.
5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. That's all. Okay?
Okay.
But now, is the question finished? No.
No.
We will write the commons now. What we will do, first
Yeah.
of all, we will write
2
18 is
multiply
equal
3
to 2 times 3 times 3.
times 3. Then 30
And
equal to 2 multiply
30,
3 multiply 5.
2
The commons are
multiply
2, 2,
3
and 3,
multiply
3.
5.
Then 2
yeah,
multiply
commons are
3 equals 6. And the highest common
2,
factor is
3,
6.
2, 3 and 5.
Commons
2, 2,
are
3.
only 2 and 3. Not
Yeah, 2
5. Where
multiply
is
3
5?
equals 6.
So what will be the final answer?
6.
6 will be the final answer. Very good. So the answer will be
6.
6. Highest common factor is 6.
Badar, do you have doubt in this question?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Everything is clear? If it is clear, then only say clear. If you are not clear and you are saying
Say
clear,
clear.
that means you are scared of asking me or you are hesitant. This message is for all students. If you did not understand and you are saying I understood, that means you are keeping this problem with you. You are not discussing. What will happen? In the next lesson, you will have difficulty. In the next lesson, you will have more difficulty. Why? Because you did not make your concepts clear. So if you have a doubt,
Give us another one.
so if you have a doubt, ask me at the same time, okay? Otherwise, if you will just say, yes, I understood. But in reality, you are not understanding, you will be in problem, not me.
Mister, give us another example.
Mister, can you make like this on the group? Like send a picture of a question of HCF and send it on the group.
I have them. I have the pictures of them. I save them always on WhatsApp. Should I send them on the group
No
or no?
questions, and then we will answer it on the group.
I'm kind of confused. Can you make another example?
I will give one more example. Everyone, this is your one more chance to prove HCF. HCF of 20 and 48.
Okay. Wow. 22.
HCF of 20 and 48. So what are we going to do? We will get 20.
It's easy.
Tell me the answer of the losses.
Well, just put 2 here. At the 20 place, then it will become 10.
No, give me the final answer. Give me the final answer.
5 and 2, 5.
Oh,
5, 1.
I will give you the final answer.
Teacher, I know. Can I answer?
Give me the final answer. Yes, give me the final answer.
Okay.
On WhatsApp?
No, here. On the
Here will be 10.
Now give me the final answer. What is the HCF? Give me the final answer. After doing this, after making common, after multiplying, give me the final ultimate answer.
Okay.
No one till now?
I just started.
Ismail left?
No, he's here.
Okay. Adam left?
No.
Okay. Are you solving, Adam? Oh, this is hard.
Mister, can I say the final answer?
Not now, please. Give us 1 minute.
Mister.
أعطينا فرصة يا أمير.
So easy.
Yes, Muhammad Amir, tell me the answer.
The highest common factor, the final answer is 4.
4. Very good. Everyone, we have to clap very strongly for him.
Mister, yes, 4. I finished.
4 is the correct answer. I will write the steps now. You guys can match.
22, 10, and 2, 5, then 5, then 1. Then 2, and here 24, then 2, 12.
Match your steps with my
2,
steps.
3, 3, 1. So easy.
Here, Mister.
Then 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 equal 20, and 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 equal 48. And the commands are 2 multiply 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 multiply 2 equal 4.
Very good.
Mister, me and Amir finished the first.
Super. You also got 4 at the same time?
Yeah. See my camera? I got 4 too, so now I finished. I started late and I made on my notebook.
No problem. So this was all about today's lesson. Next week, no, inshallah tomorrow, I will tell you LCM, okay? So we will finish today's lesson and I will send
Is this the only lesson? Or you had other lessons in this class because I came
also I did this square part also and cube part.
Oh my god.
Okay, if you
But it's easy. It looks easy.
This is easy. This is very similar to grade 6 course we did. But all the students, I am reminding once again, please learn squares from 1 to 20 and learn the cubes from 1 to 10. The quickly you learn, the more it will be helpful in your future maths calculation in grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and so on. Okay.
So I must learn 1 to 20 multiplication.
See, from 1 to 10, most of the students already know what is 7 square, what is 8 square, no. But what is 14 square? What is 17 square? Not everyone knows. So one time if you will learn, it's like a table. It's like a times table, like for you. Just learn it one time and inshallah it will be helpful. Okay.
I just know until 12. Okay.
And LCM I will teach you tomorrow. Okay. So I will finish the class.
Mr. Right, teacher.
What happened? Ahmad Fuad is always.
Right, teacher.
Bye bye.
Are you going to upload this? Are you going to upload this on YouTube?
What?
Are you going to
name
upload
yourself? Can you name yourself?
Why everyone is
Professor?
speaking at the same time?
Who's making drums?
No, someone is hammering on in my neighbor. Someone is hammering. There is some construction work going on. That's why. What are you asking?
Can you make your name Professor Mr. Faiz next class?
After I complete my PhD, inshallah, I will write Professor.
No, Mister, it's better to write Professor Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman.
Okay, bye bye. Take care. Masalama. The time here is 6:10. In few moments it will be Maghrib time here. So I will leave now. Okay, bye bye. Masalama.
Are you going to upload in YouTube?
Bye, Mr.
Yes, I will upload. I will upload on YouTube, inshallah.
Okay,
No.
guys, okay,
And I will-
my YouTube channel.
What?
Yeah, give my YouTube channel on the description also. Okay.
Okay, very good, very good. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.
I'll send you the link. Goodbye.